Modeling a flower pot with all details. Hello everyone, my name is Mehdi Ashrafian. Before beginning, subscribe our channel in YouTube and turn on the notifications. In this case, we want to modeling a flower pot in 3D Studio Max with this shape. Okay, I have these pictures. You see we have rectangular shapes in here, and one circular shape in here. Okay, go to 3D Max and open the perspective view. I draw a circle and I turn off the selection brackets here. Okay, choose it. And in the modifier panel, I set the radius for the circle about 17. Okay, I draw a rectangular shape and set the length for this object about 45 and 45. You see we have two shapes here and they are not aligned to each other. I want to align circle to rectangular shape. I choose the circle and press Alt A in keyboard or choose Align tool here and click on the rectangular shape and set the align position for X position and Y position and current object target object setting for center, because I want to align center of circle to center of rectangular shape. Okay, apply and OK, and I want to move a rectangular shape from circular shape. In the front view, I move a rectangular shape about 15 centimeters, excuse me, in white field 15. Okay, and choose rectangular shape, press Ctrl V, copy, OK, and set the length 43 and width 43. Okay, I want to move this rectangular shape from this shape about 2 centimeters. In Z field, I type 2 and press enter. Okay, you see I have circular shape here, rectangular shape here with 15 centimeters, and this rectangular shape with 2 centimeter from under rectangular shape. I choose these shapes and press Ctrl V, copy, and I want to move them about 4 centimeters. Okay, press I enter here 4 centimeters, and for other peaks of my flower pot, I want to choose these rectangular shapes, press Ctrl V, copy, and choose 8 centimeters because I have 4 peaks and 4 multiply 2 equals 8 centimeters, and I choose these parts of flower pots and Again, Ctrl V, copy, OK, and so we have 16 centimeters for this. Okay, we have these shapes here, and we guess the shape of flower pot. But I want to modify these shapes. For this reason, I choose the circular shape, convert it to editable spline, and I want attach another object to this circular shape. Because of it, I choose attach multiply in the geometry option or geometry and click these options here, attach multiply. I choose all the rectangular shapes here with this button, select all, and pick the attach key. You see we have objects attached to each other, and we have one object here in the scene. Okay, I want to connect these individual peaks or individual splines to each other with cross section here. Notice that very important point is that you must click on the each spline sequentially. Okay, I choose the cross section button and click on the circle and click on the rectangular shape, but I must set the new vertex type here. If I want the linear shapes, I must choose linear, or if I want smooth curves here or here, I must choose Bezier smooth or Bezier corner. In this case, I want to choose Bezier. Okay, choose it, and with cross section button, I want to click to these splines. Okay, click here sequentially, and another splines here, and here. Okay, here and to end. Okay, I finished them so that I press the right button of mouse, twist that cross section, go off. Okay, we have some problems here. We have that this circular shape rotate, and in this section we have some problems here that I want to solve them. Okay, I go to vertex submode, and then in the front view I want to choose all vertex in here. After this, I want to go to top view, and with select the select and rotate tool, and choose these options to this mode, use selection center. I rotate them about to here. Okay, I want to solve these curves here and here. I choose move tool, and with these handles I solve them. Okay, here, and this. And I want to make some difference here and here because of these lines, curves is not good. I go to perspective view, choose this vertex, and come back to top view, and with this handle I make them better. Okay, here, and choose this. Okay, like this, and choose last point, and with this option I solve them. Okay, you see we have nice results here. Okay, I'll go to perspective view, and I want to change this form some curvature in this here. Okay, for this reason I choose the vertex of top of this shape, and go to the soft selection mode, and if you see we have some colorful points that they are different forces. Okay, blue vertex not move, red vertex move maximum, and another colors that near to red points or blue points, they have different way or forces. Okay, I want to um, this fall of mode more. Okay, I extend the fall off because I want to extend the lines, the colors here, that this vertex also affected by this parameter. Okay, and I choose the scale tool here, and I set this bottom to this, and I want to scale only in X and Y axis. Okay, in here I do this and check it in this viewport. Okay, you see we have a nice and good shape or curve here. Okay, in this viewport I want increase the destination between each splines. I turn off the use soft selection mode, go to the vertex, choose all vertex here, and scale only in Y or Y axis like this, and move them so up. Okay, in here we have a nice shape of flower pot. Okay, I turn off the vertex mode, go to modifier list, and we want to surface to this object with surface modifier. I choose it, and we have some problems here. The color of this shape is black, so that its normals go in the not good direction. For solve it, in the surface modifier I choose flip normals. Okay, we solve it, and we have a cap here. We must delete this cap. For this reason, I want to convert it to editable poly mode. Its topology is good in 5. If I set this to 0, we have a very simple shape, and with increasing this, we have a good shape in number 5. Okay, I converted it to editable poly mode. Go to polygon mode, press F4 for edge face mode, and choose these polygons here. I choose ignore back facing and by angle. For select the polygons with angle between them. Okay, I click here and choose the polygons here and delete them with the pressing delete key on the keyboard. Okay, I want to some detail to this golden part. I want to make more softer in these lines. For this, I go to I turn off the ignore backfacing and by angle because I don't need them. I go to edge mode, select the edges with double clicking on this line, and we choose loop these lines to the bottom of object here. Okay, I go to other side of golden part, excuse me, flower part. Click here and click here, and the last part of flower part in here. Okay, I choose chamfer setting, set the chamfer to 2 centimeters with 3 segments. Okay, that's good. Click check mark, and I want to make this flower part some edge here. I go to border mode, click border in here, with select this border. I click the scale tool, shift hold the shift button on the keyboard and scale only in X and Y axis with this mode. Okay, we have lines here and polygons here that make our flower part better. Okay, then click the move button, click and hold shift button on the keyboard again, and so go to bottom of this object for these lines. Okay, I want solve this problem because we have not good wall in here. Okay, I go to the top viewport and pressing F3 and choose scale mode and only scale it in this way. Okay, we solve it. We have a wall here. Okay, I want to cap this, so that I click the cap and I want to choose some lines or create some lines here and here, because the mesh keep each beauty. Okay, I click the line edge here and click this edge, click ring mode, and I select all the ring lines here. Okay, I choose setting of connect, and with this option I move it to bottom of this. Okay, I click check mark and I go to polygon mode, select this polygon and insert with a little amount here, 0.3 centimeters or 3 millimeters. Okay, I check it, and so in the last step I want to make this flower pot so softer. I want to use turbo smooth modifier. Okay, and I set the iteration for this flower pot to 2. Okay, we have some problems here because our flower pot, in the bottom of it, these polygons is near the here and they cross each other. For solve it, I turn off the turbo smooth, go to polygon mode, and I choose the ignore back facing and by angle for selecting all polygons here. Select them and I scale them a little. I press F4. We must choose these polygons also. Okay, so that I press go glow bottom and some scale here. Okay, we solve it. Turn off polygon mode and turn on turbo smooth. I turn off F4 and we have this flower pot. Some problems here is here, so I turn off the turbo smooth. Also go to polygon mode again and make them a little scale. Okay, so we have no problems here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we create this flower pot here. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you like it, subscribe our channel in YouTube and follow our page in Instagram. Thanks a lot. See you in the next lesson.